lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy because you gave me so much love on my previous video on this topic and I'm so overwhelmed and touched. So I would really request you, and firstly I would say thank you and request you keep showing me love like this only, so I get motivated to make good videos for you guys. So to make another video on the same topic, just because I saw so many people commenting on the comment box. They had so many questions, they had few myths about the exercise, they had few assumptions about the wrong assumptions about the exercise, and they were asking me a lot of things. So I thought it's not possible to reply to everyone. I still tried to reply each and every one from the whoever commented on the video, but sometimes I don't get that much time to comment when there are so many comments. So I thought, let's just make a video so that people know and get all the answers through a video. So it will be easier, yeah. So if you want to know what I'm talking about and which video I'm talking about, the previous video, I will link it up over here on the I button and even in my description, so you do check that out. In that video, I have shown my 7 days journey of the workout and then before and after result also. So after finishing this video, you can take that video as your guideline and you can start your workout. So I'm going to show you, in this video I'm going to show you how to do it, what not to do, what to do, what are the cons, what are the pros, everything. So let's just get started with the video. Okay, so listen. In this workout, you just have to bend your knees. First, stand straight, okay? And then bend your knees. You have to give your pressure, your body weight on your knees, okay? And then you suck in your stomach, suck in. And then you push your stomach forward and then push back. Push forward, push back. While doing that, you get crampish feeling, right? So from sides, so you suck in your stomach, engage your core, bend your knees, push forward, push back, push forward, push back. And when you suck in your stomach, when you push forward, that time you have to exhale. So take a deep breath, suck in your stomach, take a deep breath, and then when you push forward, that time exhale. Then inhale. When you push back, then inhale. Like that. Then you have to engage your core. There are 3 most important things. Engage your core, exhale while doing outside front, and inhale while doing back. And just give your pressure and put your weight on your knees. Right? So let's just get started. Let's do this exercise. Try to do it with me, get up and do it, and then you will see your results. I promise you guys, when you do any exercise, it's not just this exercise, but this is just for belly. Any exercise you do, you give your body a movement every day, you're gonna lose your weight. For sure, trust me. So just get up and start moving. Don't think, ये इससे होगा कि नहीं, ये होगा कि नहीं, ये result सच्चा है कि नहीं, you know, is it actually working? Don't think. Just get up and start doing some exercise. I assure you, you will lose your weight. If you want to lose your weight. If you don't want to, love your body. Let's just get started with the workout. Okay, so I'm gonna answer a few questions. You guys don't stop. You guys keep doing it. So first of all, people ask me what should I do, like what should I eat, what diet should I do. I do normal diet and I just concentrate on my calories. I have a video what I eat in a day. I'll put it up even in description box, so please do check that out if you want to know about my diet. But just eat healthy and do your exercise. Okay. So this is the exercise, this is the actual way to do it, right? So do this every day for 5 minutes. Start doing it like with 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Take a little bit 5 second, 10 second pause, because in the beginning you won't be able to do it in one go. It is little bit tiring. So do it. Take 5 seconds, 10 seconds gap whenever you feel you are exhausted. Take a little bit of gap, but complete the 5 minutes period, right? See, working out just for 5 minutes in 24 hours, it's not too much. It's nothing. So you can give at least 5 minutes to yourself if you want to achieve your like snatched waist or good snatched body, right? So you have to do a little bit. So do it for 5 minutes every day, 5 minutes. And I'm gonna bring a few more variations. I'm kind of working on, I'm kind of doing research and trying my own things also. So I'm gonna bring few variations in this workout so you can, you know, uh, work out for little time in a 24 hours, like in a day, and then you can cover up your whole body, like the workout for your full body. The target area will be full body, not just waistline, not just your belly. Someone asked me on my comments that I heard from many YouTubers that this exercise is harmful and dangerous to our body. No, bro, it is not. How can it be? What are you doing? You're not harming anything. You are just doing a pelvic exercise. Like you do crunches while lying down, that's how you do it standing. So how come it is you're not using any weights, you're not doing anything? How come? Someone asked me, is it okay? I have a back issue, my back was like, had a surgery, so is it okay to do it? So for that, I'm not a professional. You should consult a doctor. I share my experiences with you. I can tell you what my experience is. Sometimes the experience is different. It varies to body or person to person. So if you have any physical condition like back pain, stomach pain, hand pain, surgery, some people ask me they had their cesarean, like C-section delivery, so can they do it? So you should ask these questions to your doctor because that person is right and authorized person to give you an answer on these questions. Somebody asked me if I do this exercise, can it reduce my breast size? I just want to lose my belly fat. Can I just do this exercise and lose my just belly fat? So I would like to tell you, you don't lose spot weight. Like you can't target a spot or just an area to lose weight. You lose entirely. Overall, you do any exercises, mostly cardio, you lose entire body weight. And then you can, I would suggest if you want to lose weight, then do cardio and do lose your entire body weight, and then try to do some targeted exercise. Like if you want to get abs, then start doing ab workout. But if you are gonna do an exercise and think it is just gonna lose my belly fat, then it is utter bullshit. On the internet, on YouTube, on Instagram, people tells you ये खाने से, ये पीने से या ये एक्सरसाइज करने से पेट का चर्बी चला जाएगा, you will lose your belly fat just doing this exercise or just drinking this. It is utter bullshit. Detox drinks help reducing belly fat, but for that you have to work out as well. It doesn't happen in one night. It's a process. Always it's a process. So believe on your process, believe in yourself, and then do it. Yeah. People thought I lost a lot of weight because of this exercise. Then I would say no, because I wanted to give it a try. I wanted to try this challenge and give my reviews about this challenge because people were raving about this challenge. So I tried it for 7 days religiously and I did lose 2 centimeters. But I think my stomach was bloated because I was on my periods. It was my 3rd or 4th day. So my stomach always, everybody, I guess, almost everyone's stomach gets bloated when they are on their periods. So that's why I think it would have gone a little bit lesser than 2 centimeters. But yeah, but anyways, belly fat is stubborn belly fat. And you can't expect in 7 days. So if you want to do it, you have to regularly do it. So what I do is I do my another workout as well. Like I asked you guys, if you want to know my workout routine, then let me know in the comment box. I will do that for you. I will film my entire workout session and then you can see that. What exercise I actually do to lose my weight and to keep my body fit. So I added this exercise also in that. So yeah, I guess I have answered all the important questions which you had about this exercise. So this exercise is completely safe. It is not dangerous. But if you have any physical problem, if you have any physical damage, then please go consult your doctor. And yes, please give me a big fat thumbs up to this video and show your love like my previous video to this video as well. And yeah, I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, you can just like, share and subscribe if you haven't done that already. And please let me know in the comment box if you want me to do any other challenge. So I'll do that as well. Yeah, I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.